Okay, so I'm making some tool holders for the mini lathe. Just off sawing them out. Just got a hold down kit. The welding table is in a weird position. That's because of the new mill. Once again, thank you very much. Absolutely well appreciated. This is going to be put to hard work very shortly. Rotary table. The rotary table went down Brighton to fetch that. Shaper, nearly ready. Ooh. Just making a pulley for the shaper. There it is there. Zoom in on it. That was 6 inches in diameter. It's 6026 T6 aluminium. I didn't want to turn down that much material, so I've got those bits left there. We'll see those. We've got those chunks of aluminium which I can use for other things. Okay, there's a broken light bulb. Replacing that at the moment. Yeah, it's a bit tight in here at the moment. I need to move this machine. And at the moment I've been using these bars of steel. There's 3 more here I used. See there? 2 more bars of 1.5 inch. That's mild steel. And this is C45. And here's that block of aluminium that I'm making the pulley out of. And at the moment I am putting 2 more slabs off of it, and they're going to be wheels to move this with. So they're going to be the rear wheels, and I'm going to be making a turny squiggly one for the front. So I can move the Bridgeport out, move this over here, move the Bridgeport all the way across to about here, move the shaper to the other side of that machine to about there, and then move the granite surface plate into there, so I can get the car back in there and in and out while I'm hardening that concrete. That concrete down there all needs hardening. That's the stuff I laid. We had too much water in it, it's a bit soft, so I'm going to put some hardener on it and harden it before I put the epoxy or the thin set on it, whatever you call it. So here, because I'm using the bandsaw for cutting aluminium, I've used the hacksaw and I've just hacksawed that off. I can't remember what steel it is, but it's 100mm wide and that's how thick it is. 6mm, 8mm, something like that, 6mm I think. And that took some doing. Just cut all those off by hand. If you know what cutting steel's like, you know what I've just gone through. Cut them oversized obviously so I can bring them down, and what these are going to be is I'm going to trepan out an 80mm hole in that. And I'm going to use this bottle jack here. I've got one identical. I'm going to trepan it out so it fits around the shank on that. I'm going to weld 2 nuts on it, put a slit in it. I'm going to use that as a pinch. So there'll be one about there, one about there, and that will welded to this plate. This plate's going to have a slot in it with a guideway, so it's going to have a hook on it that can raise and lower as the jack raises and lowers. Well, I suppose I should have recorded this. I put a ratchet strap around the column up to the back of the ram and tightened it up pretty tight, and then I hit the back of the ram with a soft hammer and it's come forwards about 1mm. I know it's going the wrong way, but I have movement. So I tried centre punching out this here. I tried to do some centre punching to get the bolt out, but it wasn't happening. So I started off with a cold bolt drill, and then I put a left hand drill in it, and I've just drilled around about way deep. So now I'm probably going to be in the way of the camera in a second. But all I can do is just stand here basically. So that's gone about a centimetre deep. Get some light on the subject. Better, I don't know. So what I'm doing is lining up to the angular dangler, and the angular dangler, trying to point it towards the centre of the bolt. Here we go, but it's not this time, let's hope. No. I was hoping that was just going to pop straight out then. I believe I'm going into the threads now. Yeah, that'll be going into the threads now. So I might try and easy out in it, because that ain't working. So I'm going to get an easy out and see if I can get that in. Right, so I've got some gas. I've got a set of cheapo crappy easy outs and a couple of tap wrenches. Oh yeah, what's happening now? It stopped happening, something stopped happening. I think it's coming. Oh yes, my prize is here. Perseverance. Wow. Take your time, don't lose your footing now. This is when you get excited, isn't it? And you think, I'll beat you, and then you twist it the wrong angle or something. Yeah, baby. She's coming. Oh, yes. Yes. Got it. Get closer by that. Well happy at that. So it was too tight for the left hand drill to take out, but that easy out got it. Extremely happy. So now I can get back at the job in hand. In fact, I think the plan of action was I left these two pinch bolts loose and I started milling and kept on milling and milling and milling, and I was hoping I was going to experience a fault or something, you know, some kind of milling anomaly. And I started cutting this block, this square block, it wasn't going square. So I believe what's happened is it shook the rust a little bit loose on this and the whole ram dropped a little bit. That's what I think's happened. We're going to find out now, because I am now going to see if I can move the ram. And that's what I've got on the table. I am so happy that that came out. You know, I came out to the garage tonight thinking I've got to get the tram sorted out because I've got to get these blocks square and I've got some things that need to be done. And it occurred to me earlier on that the ram might have dropped. Putting the strap on the ram, got it moving a little bit, and then that led me to drilling this out tonight. I was not looking forward to trying to do this. I'm just going to whip it out in the vise and I'll show you what the drilling went like. Right, so that's upside down and back to front. I was doing that. I'll turn that light off, which is dazzling now. Hang on. There we go. In fact, let's use that light to illuminate it. So I don't know if you can see in there now. Probably not. Nice, there we go, nice and close. So that's how I did it, upside down, back to front, and I drilled it that well. I was pretty happy at that. I thought I had half a chance of getting it out, and well, half a chance was enough this time, because those easy outs don't usually work. Really happy, really happy. That's enough tonight now. I need to go and celebrate and have a cup of coffee. Okay, we're back. That is the run lever, if you know what I mean, for the power feed. This baby here, one of those. I've got a couple of spare, it's got the right thread on it, should be pretty tough. I'm not going to go mad with it though. I'm going to simply move the ram up. To get any movement at all. I should move, put a mark on it. We're going this way now. I think. Just soak it and leave it. Okay, there's that piece of bandsawed aluminium. It's in the lathe. Bear in mind it was that diameter. Okay, get your hand out of the way. That's how big it was. Look at that. And this is going to be a wheel, so I'll just cut this off to be a wheel. So I should be able to turn it down now, turn it down across here most of the way to 1 diameter, and that will give me something round to chuck up on. And I believe the pulley is shorter than that whole thing by a considerable amount. Let's zoom you back out a bit so you can see that. So in one setup I can get that whole pulley. Yeah, and I'll still have a load left over. I mean, I've cut way too much off just to make sure I've got easily enough. So yeah, there we go. And I have my 38-degree lathe tool roughed out. I'll find a way of ensuring that that is in properly, i.e. square to the job. So I'll figure that out, but there we go, 38-degree lathe tool, so I can cut the angles and come straight across to that angle, which should be a perfect match because it is 38 degrees, but I suppose, yeah, it's going to be bang on. I measured it about 17 times. That's that piece of aluminium that I just roughed out. There's the shape of it before. You can see held in the chuck. And I've just turned it to a diameter which is cleared up all the way around, only just cleared up. And I've still got about 1 millimetre. And that's the thing I'm making. So, well, there'll definitely be enough material there to make that. And I could have knocked out the brass or bronze sleeve and drilled it out, but the 5/8 shaft is being increased to 24 millimeters, and I think you can see that isn't the best. So it was debatable whether that could take 1 inch boring. I don't think it could. I think if I'd have got to 1 inch, that's another 2 millimeters per side after you take that bush out, plus a keyway. There ain't enough room for it. So, as you're probably watching, my hole sawing wasn't going very well. I'm making the machine jacks, and I decided I'll have enough of that. I'm going to order a hole saw, proper one. And I came in, I've just done that. So that form tool there, you see it, just there, has just done that. I'll get you a closer view maybe. Can we go into and zoom it in? There we go, look at that, there you go. Not bad. It is. Or maybe that's a false line, because I think that's perfect. So I've just done half that. It took about an hour to do that because the belts are slipping on this. As described in many videos now, the belts slip on this, and when I'm changing the bits and bobs inside here. I'll measure up the drive pulley and change it for a cam belt pulley, because I am not messing about with slipping belts anymore.